There's one. Morning, good evening, and or good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm back out on Stevens Lake. We've had a pretty good warming trend here lately. I'd say all over the country except for maybe up north. It's been pretty warm relative to it being December. So hopefully that means something good for us. I think the last time I was out here I caught two. It was a 2-pounder and like a 2 1/4 pounder or something like that. I mean, it was a decent day. Hopefully I can get on some more, put some more numbers on the board, put a little bit better weight up as well. Like I said, it's been pretty warm for the month of December. It's the day after Christmas. We're gonna see what we can do. Real quick before we get out on the water, I just want to say I really appreciate all the support that you guys have shown on this channel. If it wasn't for it, I probably would have quit after my first video, maybe after my second one, but immense amount of support coming from everybody. So truly from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate all of you. But with that being said, let's go get on some bass. There's one. All right. Ned rig done it. Little guy. He's probably 12, 13 inches. See you, buddy. Could give him something different to look at before I go. Don't leave fish to find fish. I mean, granted, that could be the only one that's even sitting here, but you never know until you try. There's one. Ooh. On the lipless. Like I said, where there's one, there's more. Oh yeah, that's the way you want them to eat it. There he is. Number 2. Get right back in there, see if we can't get another. Oh man, that was a bite. Ate it on the fall and I missed him. Alright. On to the next spot. That's a tree. Alright, so the time is 11:25. I gotta leave here in about an hour and a half, so I'm gonna try to put 1 or 2 more in the boat and call her a day. So the 2 baits that I've been productive on today were the Ned rig, just a Ned rig presentation with a Z-Man Finesse TRD. I think it was in the California craw color. And this is a Rapala Rip and Wrap. You can see the teeth marks on the back of it there. But this is a Rapala Rip and Wrap, and this is a lipless crankbait. I've made my way back to the first point I caught those 2 fish on. I'm trying to see if it's reloaded. Okay, that's a school. Don't know exactly how far that tree extends out here. I've got a little self-made lure retriever, so hopefully if we get stuck on that tree down there, be able to get it back out. There was some weight. It's about in that area. Right at it. It's pretty well right where that tree extends out, right where it stops at. This is where that school is. I don't know if it's crappie. May very well be crappie. If it's bass, it's a lot of bass. Find that here in just a moment. Oh, it's bass. No, it's that tree. Time to see what this little homemade lure retriever is about. This is my homemade lure retriever. I don't know if you can see that. So what I thought was bass was actually a lot of tree limbs. Alright, see what this son of a gun's about. No way. So if you're wondering if it worked, it worked. As we were going to end the day right there, I'm headed back in now. Just want to give you a little recap while I'm out here on the water still. So, caught those two, one on the Rippin' Wrap and the other on a Finesse TRD. Pretty good day, you know, not bad for three hours of fishing. So, can't really ask for much more than that. Again, really appreciate the support, guys. We'll keep it up, see how far we can go with this thing. Guys, if you enjoyed this kind of content, be sure to leave the video a like. If you're not already, subscribe to the channel. Hit those bell notifications. Happy holidays. Be safe. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.